Jamaisastini rugine Misti hai keba ketui phalnok rogo dal bidal Misti doi ladu tai perarok tonija pheba tabuk sak dorotui phano Jamaisastini Salo ketui phalnok Misti phalnok rogo asuk borok kuthumbiako obtanya saikena reka phalnokni bugraro
আছে মোটামুটি দরজা জামাই আর কিছু টাকা রুপারে লাগে
মানে মিষ্টির দাম কি রকম?
10 টাকা 8 টাকা
দই
130 টাকা
এমনি চলছে বাজার ভালো?
হ্যাঁ
কেসে বাজার তুলনায় কি কি আছে মোটামুটি আইটেম?
সব মিষ্টি আছে,
সব ধরনেরই আছে। কত দাম কীরকম?
10 টাকা এইটা আমরা সব আর রসগোল্লা সব 10 টাকা, 10 টাকা আর 10 টাকা, ঢালাই সব 10 টাকা, একটু 20 টাকা, দই 160 টাকা, মিষ্টি লাগে সব কইছে 140 টাকা।
তবে বাজার ভালো গেছে এবার কীরকম?
গেছে এবার তো ভালো হচ্ছে,
এবার
তো বেশি সবার বলেই আছে এবার
Lembosara Bagwi Tongma, Rajashri College of Education and Skill College, Tripura Hapangbai Goshimung Manjak, Te Tripura University ni affiliated eba Rungkhungo Chitokja Kaisa English Medium College. Oro Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Geology, Human Physiology, Geography, English, Kokborok, Political Science, History, Education, Philosophy, Sociology, or subject rock. Porijago or rungno kotoro porne rongno all India competitive amjamurungni bagwibo magnangno frungjago rungsuna rongni bagai thugai juda mentor tongo tei tongo bas malkhuni sepsap tongo kuchuk bremni laboratory smart class babai buri naithok khrangjak tongboyni bisingo songjajak Rajashri College khas rangino sabsutara nobo chawi lekhapora khlai mano.
My name is Pinky Devarma and I'm pursuing BSc in Geography Honours. Rajashri College is one of the best colleges I have ever met in my life. The teachers, the faculty, they provide us to empower in our life and to go for our beautiful future in our life so that we can grow in our daily life. And the teacher, they provide us mentor and they teach how to do the PowerPoint presentation and they encourages us to know about more ability to grow in our environment.
Ani mungka relax derma ang geography department ni o college so ang tak second year kalayo bebak mane jeng je college kata phaimani teacher rok sung onek guide khaika kata mani phrungjaka jemon jeng public din rok srungo bhaikai bungo student ngo interact khainani gai class o bhaikai jeng dolok bai cooperate khai tongnani above the education college ngo tomo mani phrungu tak nang na di modern technology ro phaitong AI rongni amrong phrungjago tei sin internet rongni bo kahamno exam ro kaham cholibo phrungma ro kaham teacher rok belai no guide kheo kaham kai jungno jani jung mungsung mayang tongai sungkai teacher rok personally jungno phrungo engke jungno jani suppose jung tabo kuno mungsa problem kulai tongkha engke teacher rok belai no jungno kaham kai bojogo that bo lamate bidike thanai jung lama hamya kulai tongkha borokno jung tuna nayo kaham lamao jungno mushroom plantation rok phrungo ongko khongkaima rok phrungo plantation of plants and other than that computer skill rok phrungjago because modern day or modern technology ma porinai so modern technology pori hangai jung brain tola kalai thanai. Thank you.
My name is Isha Bhomik from 6th semester Physics Department of Rajashri College. This college provides a great opportunity and lots of facility to learn and endure the knowledge and learn more skills in the life. And yeah, I learned a lot of skills from this college and now it's very useful to tackle with the day-to-day life and to deal with many biggest universities and biggest fields. Thank you.
Haike lerewi tinino phaidi nini ani jodoni college Rajashri College of Education and Skill Nikuma Bagbari Lembosara Tripura Kokdug number 9873673875.